At Mortgage by Speedy, we know that buying a home, or investing in one, is one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make. Whether you're a first-time buyer, upgrading, building, or expanding your rental portfolio, having the right mortgage options is essential. We proudly serve clients throughout Arizona and nationwide, offering flexible and transparent mortgage programs tailored to your goals. Fixed-rate mortgages provide long-term stability with predictable monthly payments. A 30-year fixed keeps payments low, while a 15-year fixed helps you build equity faster. Adjustable-rate mortgages offer lower introductory rates, ideal for buyers planning to move or refinance within a few years. Popular options include the 5-1 and 7-1 ARM structures. Government-backed loans such as FHA, VA, and USDA make home ownership accessible with lower down payments, flexible credit requirements, and powerful benefits for eligible buyers. Jumbo loans support high-value home purchases above conforming limits. Bank statement loans help self-employed borrowers qualify using bank deposits. Conventional loans offer competitive rates for strong credit borrowers. Construction loans support custom home builds, releasing funds in stages. Home equity loans allow homeowners to tap into built-up equity for major expenses. For investors, DSCR loans qualify based on property income, not personal income, making them ideal for rental portfolios, LLC ownership, and long-term scaling. Every borrower has unique goals, and at Mortgage by Speedy, we help you choose the loan that supports your vision, your budget, and your future. Get pre-qualified today and take the next step toward home ownership with confidence.